Welcome to Coverage and Clarity with Jacques, the podcast where we break down protection, planning, and peace of mind so you can make confident decisions for the people who matter most.
Welcome to Coverage and Clarity with Jacques. I'm your host, Jacques Jean-Baptiste. This is where we slow things down, remove the confusion, and focus on what truly matters, protecting people you love with confidence and understanding. Here, we talk about preparing, protecting, and building peace of mind for the people who matter most. Today's conversation touches on every family at some point. We're talking about how we honor someone's life when they're no longer with us. Now, whether you're planning for yourself or helping a loved one, today I'm going to walk you through 9 heartfelt ideas for creating something beautiful called a celebration of life. Now, traditionally, funerals are structured, they're somber, often rooted in religious customs. And there is comfort in that structure, but a celebration of life takes on a slightly different tone. It's more personal, more relaxed, focused on gratitude, storytelling, and connection. Those gatherings may happen in a park, in a backyard, a community hall, or anywhere that reflects a person's spirit. The beauty is freedom. Here, we could laugh, we could cry, we could share stories. We could play music. We celebrate the moments that made your loved one unique. Now that's powerful. Before we explore the 9 ideas, we need a strong foundation. First, honor their wishes. If your loved one shared how they want to be remembered, that becomes your true north. If no instructions were left, look at their personality. Were they adventurous, quiet, family orientated? Did they love to travel, garden? Did they love jazz music? Let those details guide your decision. Now let's talk about guest count, budget, and accessibility. Assign clear roles. One person to coordinate the speakers, one to manage the music, one to welcome the guests, and let the generosity come in from their memory. Planning with final expense coverage can remove tremendous financial pressures. It allows families to focus on remembering their loved one, not worrying about the cost. Now that's a peace of mind that matters. What you want to do is choose a meaningful location to have your memorial service. Choose a meaningful setting that reflects their spirit. Maybe it's a beach they loved, a favorite park. Maybe it's even their own home. Be sure to plan for weather, seating, and accessibility. Here it is, a beautiful touch. As your guests arrive, invite them to share with one another a memory that's connected to that place. Be sure to have a creative guest book. Now, this guest book will become a family treasure. Use a traditional book or be creative. Have one with a photo that the guests could put pictures in, a pattern tree, or even a Polaroid wall. Now, ask each guest to write down one lesson that they learned from your loved one. This will become a legacy in written form. Make a personalized playlist. Now, music recalls memories much faster than words ever can. Build a shared playlist where your family, your friends can all contribute songs together for this occasion. For your loved one, playing a song that was meaningful to them while you transition between speakers or even doing a slideshow is something that they would definitely enjoy if they were here with us. Music creates the emotional continuity that lives on well past the celebration of life. Include a memory book or keepsake box. Invite each of your guests to bring photos, letters, or other keepsakes. Later on, those memories can be compiled together into a digital or printed keepsake for the entire family to share. Be sure to have decorations that are based on your loved one. Decorate the room in a way that reflects who they were. You want to share their colors, their movies, their activities, their favorite hobbies. Share timeline highlights the milestones and adventures in their life. Let the room tell and share your loved one's story. Now create either a video or slideshow. Remember to keep it between 5 to 10 minutes in total. What you want to include in there is to share photos, share short clips, add voice messages. Be sure to also include keepsakes from other loved ones who couldn't attend in order to keep everyone connected. Share a meal. Nothing connects us like food. Serve their favorite dishes, but also remember to consider the dietary needs of all your guests. Invite others to contribute potluck dishes as well. Ask guests to share a story that is connected to a favorite recipe that they and your loved one shared. Remember, food brings comfort, and comfort supports healing. Now, if today's message resonates with you and you like guidance on either final expense or life insurance planning, then call me here at the studio, 631 594 8118. Once again, that's 631 594 8118. Now let's continue. What you want to do is choose wisely the speakers and performances that will occur at your event. Keep it natural and heartfelt. Have no more than 3 to 5 speakers with short time frames present. Have them offer prompts to each guest such as, what moments will you never forget? What made them special to you? Remember, structure gives confidence, all while keeping it sincere. You want to share any charities or community impacts of your loved one. Let the loved one's actions share amongst your guests that are there. Share and support a cause that matters to them. Organize donations. Create a scholarship. Plan a service event. To make it easier for everybody, use QR codes or digital links to make participation simple. Their legacy will continue on when love becomes the movement. Now remember, the timing is completely up to you. Some families hold it before service, before burial, or cremation. Many others may wait weeks or even months before they have a service. For guests who are far away, consider live streaming this celebration of life. Make sure to add a virtual guest book or chat. Choose a weekday or weekend based on accessibility and emotional readiness. There's no rush, remember. Thoughtful planning is an act of love. Now, every family has its own unique traditions. Remember to honor them. Blend prayer, poetry, scripture, or even favorite quotes if desired. Have a calm family member handle the specifics quietly. Remember, emotion is not a problem. Laughter and tears both bring together because both are part of the healing process. So to recap, a celebration of life gives you room to remember someone in a way that truly feels like them. Focus on connection. Focus on the stories, the music, the memories. They all tell a story about this loved one because that's what healing happens. And here's what I want you to remember. Life insurance isn't about fear. It's about foresight. It's about making thoughtful decisions today that will bring peace of mind tomorrow. And that's what we focus on here at Coverage and Clarity with Jacques. Education, understanding, and protection you could always trust. Now, if you would like help in planning or covering medical costs through final expense or life insurance, call us here at 631 594 8118. Again, that's 631 594 8118. Now, if you found this episode helpful to you, please subscribe. Share with someone who may feel the benefit of this message. Now, until next time, Take care of yourself and take care of those that you love.